In this video, I'm going to show you the process of Amazon Prime login. If you're trying to log into your Amazon Prime account, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end because I'm exactly going to show you how you can. And before I move on, make sure you are subscribed to our channel if you haven't already, and also turn on the notifications so you get notified for more interesting videos. Now there are multiple ways that you can log into your Prime Video account. If you're using your desktops, you just need to open up your web browsers and search for primevideo.com. Once you search it, you land on this interface, which is the website of Prime Video. Now all you do is click on the Prime Video member sign in button, or you can also click on the sign in button on the top right. But if you're not subscribed to Prime Video yet, you can do it by clicking on the second button, which is start your free trial. But if you are already subscribed to Amazon Prime, you just click on the first button. Here a login box will open up. You just need to type in your email address or phone number that is associated with your Amazon account. Once that is done, now you need to type in your password. If you don't remember the password to your account, click on this forgot your password and then recover your password of Amazon Prime. If you want to be still logged in the next time you open up, make sure you check this box and then just click on sign in. And easy as that, you will be logged in to your Amazon Prime account. Now you can get access to all of the movies and TV shows on this platform. So that was a real quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.